Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this look that's on my face now. To learn how to create this with almost all Primark products, please continue watching. First we're going to start off with primer. This is the Baby Skin by Maybelline. This is a pore filling primer. Next we're going to go in with the foundation. I'm using the Primark My Perfect Colour Velvet Finish Foundation in Porcelain. I'm going to be missing out just on my nostril here because that's a recent piercing and I shouldn't really be getting makeup in it. Apologies for the lighting, it's really crap today outside. Next I'm going to go in and conceal with the My Perfect Colour Concealer Stick by Primark in the shade Porcelain. To blend that all in with the Real Techniques Point S brush. One of the few products I don't actually have from Primark is a brow product, so I'm just going to do them off camera and I will be right back. My brows are a little bit bold, I couldn't get them to even out and just look nice, so ignore them. Next up we are going in with either the chocolate palette. I don't think I'm going to use the urban palette, but I brought it out just in case I fancied using that. I think I'm going to try and use some of the custom palette singles. I was thinking I'm going to use... Should I do a purple eye? Yeah, I'm going to do a purple eye. I'm going to probably use this one in my crease and then this one on my lid. And I'll work out what to deepen it up with in a minute. My eyelids are still slightly tacky from putting the concealer on them, so I think I'll skip actually priming my eye with a primer. First, I'm going to go in with colour Icing from the Chocolate Bar palette and place that all over my lid. Then, a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to take the purpley shade. This is the shade Earth and put that into my crease. Off the excess, I'm going to take that back over and just blend the edges just there. Then I'm going to take the shade Truffle, take a tiny little bit. This shadow is really soft, so make sure to tap off the excess because you will get fallout. And I'm just going to deepen up the crease a bit of that on the outer V side. tip is if you have hooded eyes like mine, to look down into a mirror when you're doing your eyeshadow, because then you can see the eye you're doing with your eyes open rather than having to close one so you can see what you're doing. And using a fluffy packing type brush, I'm going to use that glittery purple shade, which is called Slate, so this, and try to pack that all over my lid. And repeat on the other eye. Next we're going to take the little blending brush and our original colour Earth and blend that underneath the eye. Then on a pointed sort of pencil shaped brush, I'm going to take the single shadow in the shade Naked, and I'm going to use that to highlight. First on my inner corner, and then onto my brow bone. I think to brighten up this look a bit, I'm going to pop a bit of that just on the centre of the eye. And that's me back with lashes all on. This is what eyes look like. I think it looks quite nice actually. Next we're going to move on to skin. For the lips and cheeks, I'm going to be using the PHR Lip and Cheek Hydrating thing from Primark. To highlight with the shade Naked. I'm taking that on a Spectrum A05. Then going back with the pencil brush, I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow. Finished. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Please like, subscribe and comment.